and welcome to ChaoLee Adventures. In this video, we will be exploring the province of Naan. Previously, we boarded a flight from Krabi into Chiang Mai and stayed the night at a hotel near the airport. The next morning, we met with the driver who came to pick us up and the road trip began. While on the road, we stopped at rest areas for gas, food, drinks, and snacks. We hired a van service for the next few days of our trip. For us, this made the most sense logistically and financially.
Here we made a pit stop at Balka View Point 1715. It's a nice viewpoint at the top of a mountain pass. The weather was good, so we got to see a pretty good distance into the hills. After a long day of driving, we arrived at the hotel right before sunset, the Balka View Resort. Located on the side of a mountain, this resort features bungalow-style rooms, each with a beautiful view of the surrounding valleys. Even though it was close to the main road, there was a minimum traffic, so we had a very peaceful stay.
Hey baby.
After breakfast, we enjoyed the beautiful morning by taking photos around the resort, and then it was time to check out.
Our first stop of the day was only a few minutes down the road from the resort. This is the Boklua rock salt well. This attraction is particularly interesting because the water from the well is naturally salty. Boklua is Thai for natural salt pond. Salt production here is done the old-fashioned way. The salt water is pulled from the well manually, one bucket at a time. The water is then boiled to extract the salt by evaporation. The villagers here make a living as salt makers. The rock salt and various salt products are sold locally and also exported to other regions.
Fish.
With the van rental, you typically get something like a 12 to 15 passenger van with a driver.
Good. Special van. This is VIP van.
Having the same vehicle for multiple days means you can leave your belongings in the van and not worry about having to carry all your stuff everywhere you go, which is a huge convenience.
Here we are at another quick stop while driving through the mountain pass. This one is called Road Number 3 because from a certain point, the curvature of the road looks like the number 3. You will notice that everywhere tourists go, there's bound to be vendors set up for snacks and refreshments. After having lunch, we're back on the road. Once we arrived near the city of Naan, we went to a cafe for some Thai desserts.
We made a quick stop at the Naan airport to pick up a relative who will be joining us for the next few days. The hotel for the night is Tong Resort. This is a cool little spot next to a rice field with cartoony themed decor everywhere. There is no shortage of photo opportunities for everyone here. Another day has gone by. We have a couple more places to see.
ขอบคุณครับเราต้องทานแป้งนะครับเนาะ
Here is a cafe with nice views of rice fields. Due to the larger crowd and the long wait, we decided not to stay here very long, so we just took some pictures and we left.
Our next stop is the Hua Nam Mushroom Farm. We couldn't go into the field or pick mushrooms ourselves, but the view is spectacular. We got a mushroom pizza from the restaurant and it was actually very good. After feeding our tummies, it's time to feed others, like all these hungry koi fish, fighting for food and human attention. Back on the road again for another hour or so, we end the day in the city of Naan. The Naan City Night Market was just getting set up, so we took that opportunity to get some street food for dinner before checking into our hotel. And that's about it for now. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more. We'll see you in the next one.
เรียนเชิญคณะ